morning friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So finally now I'm done with everything in the house and we're gonna go to Home Goods because first of all I haven't gone to Home Goods for a very long time, and whenever I go I usually share with you guys that I'm going there because I know you guys also like to see what they have. So I haven't been there for at least I would say more than a month now. And when I went the last time, I bought this. Now, when I bought it, I was like, I can put maybe candle or fairy light, something, I can decorate it, right? Because then you can open it this way and you can put something in there. But I tried to put it where I thought it might look nice, but somehow it's not. It doesn't look like it belongs there, So I was like, it's okay. Now I'll just return it. So I need to return this. We'll see what they have because now Christmas is coming, so I'm sure they must have really good stuff over there. And the other thing that I want to see if they have is the pillow, because I do want to have the different Indian style pillow here. And I actually ordered some of them from Etsy, and it's not coming until December. So obviously for Diwali time, I'm not going to have that. So I thought, let me just go to Home Goods and see if they have it because, most of the time they do have Indian stuff there. So that's what I need to see if they have it. So before kids' lunchtime, we need to hurry up and come back. So let's go. So they have really good collection of this battery operated candles. I always buy mine from here, especially this tea light one. So you can use this for diya. Actually I was looking for lotus shape candle holder, but they don't have it. Usually they have it, but I don't see it today. So I'm back from Home Goods and I did not find what I was looking for. But of course, Home Goods never disappoint you. There is always something that you find there. So I bought one thing, but I'm making chai here. So once that is done, we're gonna sit down. I'll show you what I bought. But yesterday I went to temple क्योंकि कल मेरे भाई की बर्थडे थी, तो I thought कि let me at least go to temple. तो I don't थिंक सो कि मैंने कोई भी मेरे वीडियो में आपको बताया कि अंदर से हमारा यहाँ का मंदिर कैसा है. तो यहाँ नज़दीक में 3-4 और भी है मंदिर, पर ये वाला जो है ना मेरे घर से नज़दीक है. नज़दीक इन द सेंस कि इट टेक मी अबाउट 25 मिनट्स टू गेट देयर. तो कल मैं वहाँ गई थी और गई ना तो वो बंद होने का टाइम था, तो कोई नहीं था वहाँ पे. और इतने टाइम से मैं चाहती हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली पुजारी भी वहाँ के पहचानते हैं ना, तो आई रिक्वेस्ट हिम कि थोड़ा मैं अंदर से वीडियो ले लूँ. तो ही इज़ लाइक ठीक है ले लो. तो मैंने अंदर से वीडियो लिया. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि हमारा यहाँ का मंदिर कैसा है. तो ये जो वाला मैं जाती हूँ ना, वहाँ पे सब भगवान है. लाइक क्योंकि वहाँ पे नेपाली लोग आते हैं, जैन लोग आते हैं, सब आते हैं, राइट. तो काफ़ी सारे भगवान हैं. तो एक जो मेन मंदिर है ना, वहाँ पे अंदर सब ये भगवान है और बाहर उन लोगों ने 2 और छोटे छोटे मंदिर बनाए. तो एक में शिवलिंग है तो किसी को दूध पानी कुछ भी चढ़ाना हो रहा है तो उनके लिए एक बनाया है। और दूसरा वाला जो है ना उसमें नवग्रह की मूर्ति है, पूरे जो हमारे नवग्रह है ना उनकी सबकी मूर्ति वहाँ पे, तो काफ़ी अच्छा है। और जब भी मुझे वो कभी ऐसा, पहले तो मैं रेगुलर जाती थी, यू नो एवरी अदर वीक आई यूज्ड टू गो, but because of this corona thing now I just don't go, and even now if I go I try to go during the weekdays so that way not many people are there. तो जब भी कोई ऐसा मन उदास होता है, कुछ ऐसी कोई कुछ होता है ना घर पे, लाइक मम्मी पापा की एनिवर्सरी है, लाइक डेथ एनिवर्सरी, बर्थडे, कुछ भी है ना, तो मैं आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आई गो देयर। तो वहाँ जाके बहुत पीसफुल लगता है, एक पॉजिटिव वाइब्स मिलती है। तो बस कल मैं वहाँ गई थी। तो जब तक ये होती है चाय तब तक आप दर्शन करके आओ, उसके बाद मैं बताती हूँ आपको मैं क्या लेके आई हूँ। सो वो है हमारा मंदिर जहाँ पे मैं हमेशा जाती हूँ, और जब भी जाती हूँ ना मन को एक अजीब सी शांति मिलती है। सो नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू व्हाट आई बॉट फ्रॉम होम गुड्स। तो अभी दिवाली आ रही है, तो धनतेरस के दिन मुझे अभी भी याद है मम्मी हमेशा कुछ सोने का और चांदी का कुछ बाय करती थी। वो अच्छा माना जाता है उस दिन जो भी आप लो वो। और उस दिन पे जो आप मिठाई घर पे हम बनाते हैं ना, वो एक नए बर्तन में बनती है, तो उसके लिए भी एक नया स्पेशल बर्तन लेते हैं हम लोग। तो होम गुड्स में ऑब्वियसली सोने चांदी का तो कुछ मिलेगा नहीं मुझे, पर बर्तन तो मिल ही सकता है। तो बस ये बर्तन लेके मैं आ गई। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये शेप, ये साइज़ उसका, और आपको मालूम ही है मुझे वैसे भी आई एम सो क्रेजी अबाउट दिस शेप, एंड आई लाइक इट बिकॉज it has the glass lid and it has a heavy bottom and it's really nice, you know, it's small है, cute सा है, शेप भी उसका काफ़ी अच्छा है। तो अब जो उस दिन मिठाई बनेगी बस वो इसी में बनेगी। और वैसे भी है मेरे पास, ऐसा नहीं है, अभी भी मेरे पास 2 और 1, हाँ एक छोटा सा है अभी मेरे पास ऐसा, जो मैंने लिया था वो भी अभी मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया, पर वो बहुत छोटा सा है। तो ये परफेक्ट है, एंड एज आई सेड आई रियली लाइक द शेप ऑफ दिस, सो बस ये एक लेके मैं आ गई। तो आज का दिन तो बस you know kind of disappointed रहा। I was looking for Indian style pillows and most of the time Home Goods has that, but वो होता है ना कि जब आपको चाहिए तभी नहीं मिलेगा। तो जो Etsy से पिलो मैंने ऑर्डर किए उसकी डिलीवरी डेट आज सुबह ही मैंने चेक की तो वो अभी दिसंबर बता रहा है। So I think I'm gonna cancel that because there is no point for me to keep that. And my Diwali decoration is almost done and I'm gonna upload that video on Friday because I do have cleaning lady coming tomorrow to clean the house. House वैसे तो clean है पर वो होता है ना कि last minute like सब कुछ दिवाली से पहले अच्छी तरीके से clean हो जाए. So she's coming tomorrow and this time Diwali, Aryan's birthday, it's the same time, so we have so many things going on right now. But before that, let's go in the kitchen. We're gonna prepare lunch and today I'm making lat mai paneer. Now I have shared this recipe before, but if you are hosting a party, if you have a get together, I think this is the perfect recipe for appetizer. You know, it's a perfect like even if you serve it in individual cup, presentation wise it looks really nice. It is an Indo-Chinese, it is a paneer, so most of the people like that. So let's go in the kitchen. I'll show you how I make it. Actually before I went I did some pre-preparation. Actually I'm keep looking out there because something is there. There is a police car there, so I don't know what's going on. Anyways, so I'm gonna link that video down below in the description box, the one that I shared the detailed recipe, because in this I actually started before I left. So let me show you. But it comes out really good, you know, it tastes really good. Of course, it's like I say, it's an Indo-Chinese, everyone loves it. Okay, so first of all I made the batter here. Now in this batter I have all-purpose flour, maida, as well as the cornstarch. I did add some salt, soya sauce, as well as the chili garlic sauce. And the consistency of this needs to be very runny, not like pakoda batter. It needs to be very runny. And I did cut the paneer into small cubes, so you do want to make sure that it is very small cubes. I'm gonna go ahead and deep fry this. So let me finish that and I'll show you the next step. Guys, you will not believe what just happened. So I had my tripod on this so you guys can see properly in here, but when I moved, the tripod fell. It fell in this boiling hot oil. Look at that, it splashed oil everywhere, and look at that, it is such a mess. And then quickly I got my phone out because I was recording with my phone. So I got the phone out. Look at that, guys. It splashed everywhere. God. Now, guys, my phone is so hot and I'm shivering right now because I hope nothing happened to my phone. I'm so scared. I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys. So sorry again. As I mentioned, this recipe is already, I have shared it before. I'm gonna link that video down below in the description box, but I hope that oil hasn't gone in my phone, nothing happened to my phone. If that is that, then I'm done. I'll see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye. What can I say, guys, but thankfully my phone is working fine. Leave the comments below, let me know whether you guys can hear me properly or not, because I did call Raj and Aryan on their cell phone. They can hear me, I can hear them fine, but I do want to know the voice quality in the video. So it was a lunchtime, right? When the kids came downstairs, I told them what happened. Now, Raj and Aryan, they both have an Apple Watch. In Apple Watch, they have a feature called Water Eject, which I didn't know nothing about it. So Aryan is like, let me see what I can do. And I have an iPhone, but I don't have that kind of feature in my phone. So he created shortcut in my phone. He got that feature in my phone, and then when he turned it on, guys, legit within a few seconds, few drops came out from my phone. And by that time, actually, I was literally shaking. I was like, that's it, my phone is done now. And it happened so quickly because when I told you guys that let me show you the next step, I just kind of moved from here to here, and the next thing I know is that entire phone is in the oil. I mean, things could have gone wrong. It could have catch fire. Who knows, right? Because it was a hot oil. But thank God nothing happened. And I told kids also, I was like, पता नहीं आप लोग नहीं होते तो क्या होता, क्योंकि मुझे तो कोई ऐसे features का कुछ मालूम ही नहीं था. And I think I know the reason why it happens, and also because of that my phone is saved too, is my phone case, because the phone case that I was using, it's a very heavy duty and very strong one. So for that reason, I think when the tripod that I was using, it couldn't handle that weight. That's why it just kind of fell in there. So I have a 3 different tripod. The most of the time, the one that I use for the cooking is like 5-6 feet tall, and that stay on the floor, right? But the one that I was using here, it's the small one, and since it's small, it doesn't have that much height, so that's why I put it on that container. And I think, because of that height and plus the phone case was so heavy, it just fell in there. So let me show you the tripod that I was using. So this is what I was using. As you can see, it's small, right? And the phone case that I had, it was very heavy duty. So I think for that reason it happens. But I'm so thankful that first of all, it didn't catch fire. Secondly, my phone is working fine. So definitely, guys, watch that Let My Paneer video, because I'm making right now, but I don't want to take any chance now. So you guys watch that other video. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. I'm gonna show you the picture at the end. I'm gonna insert it so you will see how it comes out. And for dinner, I'm making just simple roti and aloo ki sabji. So that's it, guys. That was our day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon.